Hi everyone, welcome in Excel trick. Today we are doing the Excel trick XLOOKUP function. The XLOOKUP function is a modern and flexible replacement for order function like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP and the lookup. XLOOKUP supports the approximate, exact match, wildcards and the partial matches and lookup in the vertical and the horizontal ranges. This is my XLOOKUP syntax. Lookup value, lookup array, return array, not found, match mode and search mode. Okay, so this is very advanced function. ये VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index match and the lookup का एक complete package is XLOOKUP. Okay, so this is very advanced function. So VLOOKUP is working from left to right. Okay, आपकी अगर lookup value अगर first column है, then you can select the right table. Left to right is working, but XLOOKUP is working left to right, right to left, and also vertical to horizontal. Okay, so first example is I have one employee ID. I'm looking for the employee name, so I'm putting simple lookup here. So I'm using XLOOKUP, then lookup value. This is my lookup value. Then they're saying lookup array. So my lookup array will be this because my lookup value is the employee ID. Then my lookup array is also my all the employee ID. Correct. Now return array. So return array will be what you want. Okay. Let's suppose I'm saying I'm looking for the employee name. Okay. मुझे employee name चाहिए. So I'm selecting my employee name. It's like the column index number. Okay. VLOOKUP में क्या होता था? We are giving the employee column index number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the XLOOKUP we are selecting that particular column. Okay, हमें 1, 2, 3, 4 column index number देने की जरूरत नहीं है. Then other options are optional one. If not found is optional, match mode is optional, search mode is optional. By default the XLOOKUP will be give the exact match. अगर आप इसमें कोई वैल्यू नहीं देते हो, so if not found is I'm ignoring, then they are showing the exact match for 0, -1 for exact match and next smaller than exact match 1 and 2 for wildcard. ठीक है, so I'm giving nothing here. I'm only closing this, then enter. Now you can see here value is here 522496. Name is this. Okay, so this is simple XLOOKUP. Okay, now next example is saying give the error if value not found. Let's suppose this ID employee ID is not available in this range. Okay, so इस केस में हम क्या यूज करते हैं? If error. So if my value is not found, give me the error, customize error. Then we are using the if error there. Okay, here I'm not using the if error. I'm selecting only the lookup value. Now you can see here. Then lookup array. My lookup array will be this. Then return array. Return array. I want the employee name. Then comma. If not found, so give me value not found in the double quotes because this is the string. So I given the double quotes. Then enter. Now you can see the value is not found. Let's suppose if I'm putting some value that is available in the lookup, then they will be give us the result. Okay, employee name is here. If I'm putting that is not available, then they're showing the value not found. Okay, so this is the you can say this is VLOOKUP with the if error. Okay, because we are using the if value not found, give this error, customize error. Coming to the next lookup. So this is the lookup for the find the product name. So task is here, find the product name from the second sheet. This is very simple because in the VLOOKUP we are doing this, but now hurdle is here. We have the customer name, we have customer number, customer name, city and the product description we want here. And in the second table where we need to put the lookup, so we have product description in the left column. Okay, first we have the product description, then we have customer number. So VLOOKUP will be not work here because lookup need the lookup value in the first column. So VLOOKUP will be not work. So we are using here XLOOKUP. Okay, you can use the index match also, but I'm using here the lookup, XLOOKUP. Okay, so customer number, then lookup array. My lookup array will be this, because I'm looking for the customer this name. Okay, I'm freezing this, then comma, then what we are looking for return array will be this, then I'm freezing because I need to drag it. Okay, then close the bracket, enter. Now you can see here we have the product description here. Okay, this is very simple, because if we are using the index match, that is very complicated. Index match के अंदर आपको first of all you need to index, then use the match. Okay, here we doesn't need to use everything here. We need to write only the VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP here. Okay, so my XLOOKUP is here. Okay, coming to the next example, XLOOKUP with the wildcard character. Okay, so let's suppose I have one data here and they're saying I want to find a product that contain the repair. Okay, the word repair that contain. So I want that product description will be here. Okay, so this is also very simple. So we need to write XLOOKUP, then lookup value will be repair. No, so we need to write here the star, you know the wildcard character. So anything like in the SQL, if you know the SQL, in the SQL we are writing the star, then we are writing the like operator. You can say this is kind of like operator, and they will be ignore the first value, they will be search the middle value. Okay, so then I put it the AND operator, then repair, then again AND operator, then star, again wildcard character, then comma. Okay, so this is done. Now we put it the repair in the between. Let's suppose अगर आपके values front में कुछ हो रहा है, यहाँ पे भी कोई और value है, last में कोई और value है, but in the mid we have the repair something. Okay, then they will be give the repair you. Okay, so that's the reason I given the both side star, then comma, lookup array. So my lookup array, same, my lookup array will be this. What will be return array? So if you want to return, let's suppose I want to return the customer number. Let's suppose I put it this, if not found, I doesn't want this, because if you're not putting the wildcard character match, you need to select the match mode also. If you're not selecting the match mode, they will be give you error. So I given the match code in the to wildcard character match, then enter. Now you can see here value is here. Okay, so this is your syntax. Now you need to write like this. Okay, you need to select the match case with the wildcard character. Okay, for 2. Coming to the next one, next is the approximate match. Is a very simple approximate match. We are writing in the VLOOKUP. We are using the approximate match. Same we can write in the XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP will be first of all lookup value. So here what we have the example, it's example of the company sales related. Okay, so let's suppose I have one company and all the company names are here. They have these sales. What I need to give these companies, if the company achieve the target, let's suppose 6,000 is a target. If 6,000 they achieve, give the bonus 500. Else this is a grid 12,000 for the 600, 14,500 for 900, and if the sale have the 21,000, then give the 1,600 bonus. Okay, and the above will be 1,600 flat if it's above to the 21,000. So I'm putting here XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP lookup value is this sales, correct? Then my lookup array will be your sales, then comma return array. return array will be bonus, because we need to distribute here bonus, and also you need to freeze your value, because if you're not freezing this value, because I want to drag it down, so freezing is necessary, else your range will be moved. Okay, value if not found, you can give anything. If you want to ignore, you can ignore it. Then they're saying you want to exact match. No, exact match value is not available here, so I'm not putting the exact match here. I'm putting the exact match to the next smaller item. Okay, so this is your approximate match. You can see, need to write here -1. Okay, for exact match next smaller item, then bracket close, then enter. Now you can see here we have the 600. If we have the 13,000 sale, then these bonus will be 600, because this is not achieved the 900. It's a between 12,000 to 1400, so the bonus will be 600. Okay, so now I'm dragging down. Now you can see here every company have the bonus according to the sales. So this is all about the XLOOKUP, how the XLOOKUP will be work, what is the benefit of the XLOOKUP. Thank you guys.